Okay, so this is how to burp your coolant system on a Chevy Impala. It's a 3.5 liter 2007, and this is a washer fluid container. All I did was cut the top part off where the threads are, and that actually fit really snug. So yeah, I'm just filling it up. It seems pretty thirsty, so right now I'm just filling it up, and it's pulling the coolant in. But yeah, not too bad. Just even that little bit. Stuff got that much more, so I'll probably let her run and cycle the engine up a little bit higher and get some more coolant in this thing. So yeah, wash the fluid jug, cut the threads off, pops right in there.